Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Monday, April 21st.
Yep.
Still working on the roof and getting it all dried in. I see you put some extra.
Yeah, I just
That's
did
nice.
a little bit of a rough float over the tubing liner.
That you had patched, yeah.
Patch the patch material.
Cool.
Used contact adhesive first, got it all done, put that down, and used the
And then we'll coat the whole roof eventually.
elastomeric roof patch, and then have 5 gallons of something similar that will do coating over the whole thing.
Awesome. Anything else that's been mostly it, really?
No, this here, where the antenna sat, it had rubbed in a few places. So we've got a few little things here, and then it looks like, I don't know what happened, whether it was hit by a tree branch or something, but this had a few holes there. I got the, if you can look over here, got the roof vents for the septic.
Yay!
Replaced and done. Have that skylight vent all the way around, and then this one over here all the way around.
Yay!
So once I get enough of this dried in, I can scrub the entire top and then do
Lay the other.
the other one.
And speaking of scrubbing, that's what I'm going to be working on today. I'm going to try a couple of new things to try to get that silicone off the
stuff
front,
Yeah.
because that stuff just, nothing's working. Yeah, I think they probably did that to seal it in, but it's just a nightmare. It was bad use of misappropriation of materials. Ugh. So down I go. Yeah, so what I'm going to be working on today is there's still some of that silicone residue. Actually, the side feels pretty good now. See, there's some, yeah, see? And there's just not anything that takes it off. We've tried mineral spirits, we've tried acetone, Scotch-Brite. I've even taken pieces of other silicone that was from pouring molds and tried to rub that over it. Today I am trying Barkeeper's Friend and one of the magic erasers and seeing if I can get the rest of it off. Most of it, for the most part, I've gotten so much off, but every once in a while you can feel it. You can't see it, but you can feel it, and then when you feel it, it starts to peel up. So that's what I'm going to be working on. Ugh. The other thing I worked on was removing the spray tent so that I just have at least one non-construction area where I can come out and enjoy some nature. When we thought it was going to be a couple of month project, I could kind of stand not having something like this. But now that we're 7 months in and still months and months away from having it done, I needed a part of my backyard back. So I spent a whole bunch of time cleaning up all of this. It's only been around 3 days ago that I cleaned up all of this, and as you can see, it didn't stay clean very long. I cleaned up all of this construction area, but it's quickly going back to its previous state, but it's moving at least. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.